Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another episode of Busy Beader. My name is Caitlin. If you haven't been here before, this channel is dedicated to making fun, simple, easy crafts to unlock your creativity in a short time frame and just have fun and bring joy to people's lives. So I am so glad that you're here. Today, we are going to be doing a Christmas unboxing. We're going to be getting ready for the holiday season in the next couple of weeks. I am so excited about the jewelry set that I have planned to show you all and a lot of other fun things leading up to the holidays. So this is an unboxing to show you all of the goodies that I got, and it's just fun to show you my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. This unboxing that we're doing today was sent to me from them, and all the goodies that we're going to be using to make all of our fun holiday crafts are all from them. So I wanted to show you kind of what it was like to get a package from them, what it looks like, and all of the super amazing things that you can buy from them and use this holiday season to make some fun crafts. But before we jump in today, please be sure to like and subscribe. That way you can join me every week and you can make these amazing holiday crafts with me. Okay, I can hardly contain my excitement, so let's jump into this unboxing today. And here it is. We have our little packed love sticker and a catalog. Oh, those are so cute. Those match my nails. All right, and we are going to dive into this box here. But I'm going to move the box so that we can kind of see the items a little bit more clearly. But I'm pulling everything out of the box as I find it. These are the first items that I have in our unboxing here. These are so cool. I used to do these kits as a kid. What they are is little ornament kits of different designs, and they come with all of the beads and wire and things that you need to make these really pretty ornaments. They would make great stocking stuffers, or it would also be so much fun to make them with your family members, you know, around the holidays. And they are just so pretty. They have a bunch of different designs, so you can really find exactly what you feel like you or your family would want to do. Okay, next we have this box. I am not sure what's in it, so we're going to find out together here. Let's see. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is a bead spinner. I am super excited. Sometime in the new year, we are going to do a project with this, but basically what this is, if you haven't seen this before, what you do is you fill the bottom of this with seed beads, and then you can do like one color or a whole bunch of different colors. And they give you this special hook needle. Let's see if I can show that to you. And you would obviously thread that. And then it makes it really easy to pick up beads and to make really natural, cool looking patterns. So I am super excited about this. This is going to be so much fun to use. This would also make a great gift for any of the beading people in your life. All right, and next we have another really fun thing that we're going to do in the new year. This is a jewelry loom. So basically you use a loom to make beaded patterns like this with seed beads. I guess you could use other beads too, but most of the time you use seed beads with a loom. And I am just so excited. We're going to be following some instructional videos that Fire Mountain Gems and Beads has on how to use these appropriately, because I've never used a jewelry loom before. So really excited about that. Stay tuned for future projects with a jewelry loom. And now we get to the goodies of what we're going to be making in December for our Christmas projects here. So I'm just going to empty that bag out here. Oh, these are beading needles. I need these, and you will need them as well when you're following along with me for using the jewelry loom. Now we're going to get into all of the fun things for this holiday season. So there's going to be a lot of shiny beads in here, and I'm just super excited. My favorite Christmas movie ever is Jim Carrey's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I love all of the Grinch movies though. So we are actually going to do a jewelry set that is Grinch themed. So we're going to be doing a bracelet, earrings, and a necklace. And I am so excited for that. So these little hearts here are so beautiful. These Crystal Passions hearts. They've got such a beautiful facet on them, but we're going to be making a piece of jewelry that has the His Heart Grew 3 Sizes That Day theme. That's why these go from big to small. And then I have a bunch of really fun beads here that we're going to be using to make little crystal Grinches and little crystal Cindy Lou Who's, which is going to be super fun. And then a piece that I am very excited about, we are going to be using these seed beads here and these really beautiful red Crystal Passions beads. Here, I'll show you the shine on those. And we're going to be making little wire wrapped Grinch hands holding the ornament. That is kind of what we're going to try and recreate for the earrings. So I am just so excited for this holiday season coming up. We're going to be making some really cool stuff. And there you have it, a bunch of really cool, fun crafts that we're going to get to do over the next coming weeks. We are going to do a Grinch movie themed jewelry set together that I am just so excited about the designs on these. I think they're going to be so cute. And we've got some other really cool things in there for, you know, the next coming weeks and also just into the new year. I got myself a couple little Christmas presents with that bead spinner and the jewelry loom. I'm so excited to get to use those in the coming year and get to teach you guys new techniques and learn new techniques myself. And thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and go get your own fun goodie box of holiday crafting items and join me in the next coming weeks. I hope that you're having a wonderful start to the holiday season with your families, getting to spend time with the people who are important to you, and I will see you in the next one.